Welcome to Body Signals Lab. I am so glad you've taken a moment to be here with us. There is a saying among doctors who have spent decades observing the intricate workings of the human body. Your body never lies. It is simply waiting for you to learn how to listen. Today, we begin our journey at the most vital location, the main headquarters of life, the nervous system. Imagine waking up on a typical morning. You reach for your watch, your feet touch the cool floor, and instantly, you catch the rich aroma of coffee brewing in the kitchen. You do all of this so naturally that it requires no conscious thought. But behind that simplicity is the most sophisticated electrochemical conversation in the universe happening inside of you. Let me break it down for you in the simplest way possible. Our nervous system is like a massive fiber optic network running through the city of your body. Medicine divides it into two parts, the central and the peripheral. The central nervous system, consisting of the brain and spinal cord, is your main server. It's where all data is received and processed. The peripheral nervous system is the billions of cables branching out to every corner, from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes, ensuring that information from the outside world reaches the center in a mere fraction of a millisecond. At world-renowned institutions like the Mayo Clinic or Harvard, we often talk about neurons, the tiny yet powerful citizens of your nervous system. What's truly fascinating is that these neurons never actually touch. Between them are microscopic gaps called synapses. For a message to jump across that gap, your body must convert an electrical signal into a chemical one. This is where neurotransmitters like dopamine or serotonin come into play. When this conversion happens smoothly, you feel vibrant and clear-headed. When it falters, you feel sluggish or anxious. There is a medical detail I am deeply passionate about sharing with you: the myelin sheath. Think of a nerve fiber as an electrical wire. Myelin is the protective plastic insulation wrapped around it. Its job is to insulate the wire and increase the speed of communication by dozens of times. A landmark study from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, pointed out that once we pass the age of 30, if we don't support ourselves with proper nutrition and stress management, this myelin layer can start to wear thin. Imagine a frayed wire. The signals become glitchy and leak out. This is why you might occasionally freeze up for a few seconds, lose your focus, or find that your reflexes aren't as sharp as they once were. Now, let's talk about how this biological supercomputer runs your daily life. Did you know there is a part of your nervous system running 24 hours in the background without you ever giving it a command? We call this the autonomic nervous system. It's like a seesaw with two sides, the sympathetic and the parasympathetic. The sympathetic side is your fight or flight mode. It keeps you alert and raises your heart rate under pressure. Conversely, the parasympathetic side is your rest and digest mode, which helps you process food and repair your cells. The trap of modern life is that we unknowingly keep that seesaw tilted toward fight for far too long. You worry about bills, work, or family, and your brain cannot distinguish between psychological pressure and a tiger chasing you. It constantly sounds the alarm, leaving the body no chance to rest and repair. This is the first domino to fall. When the nervous system is overloaded, it triggers a collapse in your digestion, weakens your immune system, and ravages your skin. You may try to treat your stomach or your breakouts, but the root often lies in a stressed command center. I see many patients who come into the clinic looking exhausted, telling me they've taken every supplement available but still don't feel well. The truth is, if you are in red alert mode for too long, you must first give your nervous system a chance to breathe. The role of this system isn't just to help you think. It is the bridge between your mind and your body. If you neglect rest, you are directly damaging the most important processor of your life. Understanding the nervous system isn't meant to make us fearful. It's meant to make us grateful. Imagine every fragile nerve fiber working tirelessly just to keep you alive and sensing the beauty of this world. This understanding is the very first step in the process of true root cause healing. We cannot treat the body as a pile of separate spare parts. We must treat it as a unified ecosystem, with the nervous system as the life force flowing through it. At Body Signals Lab, we share this with the utmost sincerity. We don't want you just taking a pill once you're already sick. We want you to master your health before the first domino even falls. Your body is a masterpiece, and the nervous system is its silent guardian. Don't wait for the machinery to short circuit before learning how it operates. But how do you know if your nervous system is actually sending out an SOS? What are the subtle signs we often ignore or blame on aging or just being tired? In our next video, I will share the red flag signals your nervous system sends so that you can intervene before it's too late. Our bodies speak to us every day, but we rarely listen truly until something goes wrong. Body Signals Lab, with the hope that no one has to wait until they are ill to start understanding themselves. If you believe in that mission, please join me by subscribing to the channel. Each new member of our community inspires me to keep bringing authentic medical insights to everyone. Thank you for listening and being a part of this journey. Please cherish yourself because you deserve a healthy nervous system to fully enjoy every single moment of this life. I'll see you in the next video, where we will decode the most important signals of your body together.